Boom! Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I will be replacing a fuel filter bowl on a 2019 Kenworth T680 MX13 EPA17. Stay tuned. So, in case you're wondering why I'm replacing my heated fuel bowl, some time ago on I-95, it's a truck stop of I-95. It's called I-95 Kenley in North Carolina, and I woke up to do a pre-trip and I saw a puddle of diesel under the truck. So upon more looking and whatever, I can show you a perfect example. So if you can look right here, it's dripping diesel from this bleeder screw. So that was exactly what was happening, as you can see here. And I called all over to get that fuel bowl and no place had it. But I use a few knowledge I have, and I kinda rigged it up and ordered the bowl and drive around. So that is one reason why I am replacing the heated fuel bowl. Another reason why you would replace this fuel bowl is these fuel bowl are prone to crack, and whenever they crack, they introduce air into your system and you will have a very hard time starting. So if you have like a scan tool like I do, a OTR tool, it will show you the fuel pressure. It won't be as high as 110, 120. And if you want to really know or suspect if this is introducing air, if it's not dark like mine and it's clear, you'll see bubbles. Whenever it's running, you'll see bubbles floating to the top. So anywhere the crack is, it will bubble, which indicate it is pulling air into the system. So that's also another reason why you want to replace this bowl. So yeah, that's it. So in today's install, all I'm going to be using is this fuel bowl. I had to order it online, couldn't find it at no dealership, and yeah, this is used to take off the heated fuel bowl. I used to use a adjustable crescent wrench, so I just upgraded to this. It's more easy and a better unit. Plus you're gonna need some shop rag or towel, and I highly recommend that you get some gloves, because you know the diesel and whatever. I already have a drain pan underneath to catch as much diesel as I can. So those are what you're gonna need for this install. It should be about 5 minutes or less. It's easy, but as you see, it's currently raining, so I'm gonna get out the rain and do it afterwards. Just for the short time, guys, you can see how much diesel leaked out. So I'm gonna just take this electrical connector off, then I'm gonna take this off and let it drain and just replace the bowl. So if you can look down here, I just put a screw in it and let it So guys, when I took it off, this was a problem right here. You see that? That rubber is broken. You can see. So now would have been a good time for you to replace your fuel filter, but I just replaced this filter maybe 10,000 miles ago. So I normally change between 15,000 miles and 20,000 miles. So I'm gonna wait until either one of those come up first, then I'll replace the filter. So this is the filter right here. So let's replace it. And that is the end of the install, guys. On a difficulty level, on a scale, I would give it a 0.5 or a 1, because if you have been watching this channel for a while, I do a lot of maintenance and do fuel filter change, and it's very easy. So the hardest part about this install was getting the fuel bowl itself, because I tried calling all the dealerships and I couldn't get it, but I found it online, and I'll leave a part number in the description. So that was the hardest part. So if you had found anything useful or valuable from this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I catch you guys in the next video. So until then, just keep trucking. Peace. I'm out.